Hi everybody, it's Chuck Jackson at Florida Realty Investments, and it's time for the Orlando Area Market Roundup for July 2022. Again, this report covers the data from the month of June, where we saw rising interest rates and a surge in the number of houses listed for sale. However, we're still in a seller's market because housing inventory is still very low. A balanced market, where it's not a buyer or a seller's market, is when there's a 6-month supply of houses available for sale. June's inventory level increased 11% since May. This brings us to just over a month's supply for the first time since February 4 months ago. So while it's great to see inventory increase, it's still well below the 6-month supply level. I'm also seeing several other signs that the Orlando housing market might be leveling off. Both house price decreases and the time on market before being sold are on the rise. I believe a lot of this is due not only to rising rates, but also houses being initially listed for overly high prices as sellers try to capture as much profit as possible. This is causing some houses to remain on the market for longer periods of time, at least until the price is reduced to a level more in line with current market values that buyers are willing to pay. I think you'll see this trend too as we go through some of the numbers in this report. So here come the numbers. June's median price was recorded at $387,000, an increase of 1.9% compared to last May. This sets a record high for the 5th month in a row. This is also a 22.9% increase from June of 2021 to 2022, when the median home price was recorded at $315,000. Overall, sales in June decreased by 3.9%, with a total of 3,793 sales compared to 3,946 sales in May. This is a 14.1% decrease compared to June of 2021. Inventory increased by 75.5% from June of 2021 to June of 2022, jumping from 3,098 homes last year to 5,437 this. Interest rates continue to climb as the average interest rate for June was recorded at 5.5%. This is an 87.5% increase from June of 2021, when interest rates were at 2.9%. 23 distressed homes, bank-owned properties, and short sales accounted for 0.6% of all home sales in June. That represents a 4.2% decrease from May, when 24 distressed homes were sold. New listings increased by 11.3% from May to June, with a total of 5,367 new homes on the market in June. All in all, the Orlando area real estate market is still strong and should be for the foreseeable future. With inventory increasing and prices starting to level off, we may just be starting to see the beginning of the return to a more healthy, balanced housing market. Be sure to watch next month's video report to see if this trend continues. Well, that about wraps up this month's market report. I have provided a link to the Orlando Regional Realtors Association's full market report, which includes a ton of statistics not covered in this video. Look for it in this video's description area. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about real estate or any needs. I'd be happy to help you out however I can. If you enjoyed this video, help me get it in front of more people by liking it, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel. I publish videos covering a wide variety of real estate topics throughout the month, and you don't want to miss out. Until next time, be safe and have a great week.